A new wellness app aims to provide students in Allegan County with free mental health services at the palm of their hands. The district who uses it says as the demand for these types of supports increases, but the number of professionals able to address them decreases, it's important to meet kids where they feel comfortable. Plainwell Community Schools, home of the Trojans, and now a unique way to improve student mental health.
I experienced a lot of alienation amongst my peers. And so to me, this would be something that I would have accessed before I would have gone to a counselor.
Charlie Wynn serves as the district's compliance officer. He explains a post-pandemic survey of its scholars in grades 6 through 12 found 40% of them shared suicidal thoughts. So in 2022, PCS began to use Clayful, an app that connects students to mental health coaches who provide individual support within minutes.
So we wanted to come up with something that we could have available to every kid.
Just over a year later, Wynn says it allows the district to better meet scholar needs. A recent evaluation of the program at Plainwell found over 1/3 of them made 2 or more contacts after it first rolled out, and 70% would recommend Clayful to a friend. Boys, specifically those in 9th and 10th grade, engaged with it 3 times higher than the state and national averages, and most often worried about poor grades.
Having different pathways and different ways to reach young people, giving them support after school when they're no longer in the building. All these things are really, really, really important. So we really see this as this is an extension of what schools are already doing.
Maria Barrera created the app and says schools can use that insight to then develop lessons like how to minimize test anxiety that further helps kids. She adds if their coaches encounter a crisis situation, they work with the district's reporting system and safety team. So far, it's in 20 schools across the country.
It's really about giving them tools that not only help them in that moment, but also are going to serve them for the rest of their lives.
According to the National Alliance on Mental Illness, 1 in 6 children ages 6 to 17 experiences a mental health disorder each year, but only half receive services. Barrera and PCS believe Clayful and apps like it could change the lives of those students.
Ideally, what it is it's a piece of the larger machine, that students are using this in those moments that are tough, but then also reaching out to a counselor or a trusted family member or even a friend, because we know that Clayful alone isn't the answer, but we believe that it is unlocking mental health for some kids that have never utilized it.
According to Clayful, Wayland Union Schools also uses their app. You can find more information on that on our website at fox17online.com or under this story on our app. Reporting in Plainwell, Marisa Oberly, Fox 17 News.